This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start right away by powering off the SoundLink Color II and removing any cables. This prevents shorting. Use a small Phillips and a plastic spudger. The rear rubber panel is glued and clipped. Apply gentle upward force at one corner to pry. Once you lift the rubber flap, remove the visible screws and keep them organized. Make sure to note screw sizes and clip positions as you go, because reassembly depends on restoring each fastener to its original hole. You'll now access the battery, which is often taped. Gently peel the adhesive and use the spudger to separate the pack from the case without puncturing cells. Once exposed, locate the small white connector to the PCB and unplug it by holding the plastic housing. Do not tug wires. After unplugging, remove the old battery and compare its specs and polarity with the replacement. If the new pack matches, position it in the same orientation and route the cable exactly as the original was routed. You finish by reconnecting the battery connector to the PCB and seating the pack into the cavity. Make sure the cable isn't pinched. Replace screws in their original holes and press the rubber back into place until clips engage. Once reassembled, charge the speaker for 30 to 60 minutes and power it on. Confirm the LED behavior and play audio to verify normal operation. If it won't power, double-check the connector seating, inspect for damaged wires, and try a different charger to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.